Today I also got to check out a Volkswagen in Grand Prairie that's overheating. I got to look at a Ford in North Dallas. I have to go to Allen, Texas to look at a Tundra. And I think that's about it for today. I think that's about it. It's got a spacer lift on it. We're doing an oil change on this one. This one takes 7.9 quarts of 0W20. Oil filter 102.95. One thing I noticed, I think the catalytic converters got stolen since the last time I looked at it. Damn, that's really bad out here. Very bad. Definitely want to use the right tool when you're replacing this oil filter. It's made out of plastic and they crack easy. O'Reilly's has one for about 40 bucks and it's made out of metal that works pretty good. But that's it.